This is our final video. Let's automate our Python file. In Windows, you can use Task Scheduler and on Mac, Crontab. This Wikipedia page shows how to write a Crontab assignment. Alright, let's write a Crontab assignment. I have made an example file where the Python code will create a new text file that contains 10 lines. Each line says, this is a line with the line number from 1 to 10. Open a terminal window with Ctrl backquote and type which Python to find your command path. Then open Crontab with the command Crontab-E. Now we are in a Vim notepad. Press I to insert anything into the notepad. Now write a time or date you want to execute your Python file. I have chosen to execute my file at 11:15 in the morning, every day. You can change that according to your needs. See the Wikipedia page on how to change times and dates. After a space, add the command path that we got before, and after another space, add the path to your file, and the file extension. Now press Escape to exit the insert mode. Type $WQ. The W for write or save and the Q for quit. This is how you save and quit the Vim notepad. You can check your Crontab assignments by executing the command Crontab-L. If you want to add more Crontabs, then use the Crontab-E command, then press I again to enter the insert mode, and at the end of the line press return to add a new Crontab assignment on a new line. Since you have a Google Analytics and Facebook Python file to run, you will need 2 Crontab assignments. What is left is to find out if it worked. I go to the Downloads folder and find my file I wanted to create. And it has the right content. Perfect! So now you know how to automate the execution of a Python file. This is our last video. Congratulations on automating your marketing pipeline, and I wish you loads of fun adjusting the code so it fits your needs. You can use all those methods and all the code snippets you have seen and learned in this tutorial.